Not. Hey,
Hello.
hi.
How
How
are
are you?
you?
I'm awesome. What about you? How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm perfect. All
Where are you from?
perfect. What?
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from the gateway city of the Philippines, Pasay City.
What?
I'm from the gateway city of the Philippines, Pasay City. I'm from Philippines.
Philippines.
Yes, mabuhay.
Whoa.
Oh, mabuhay. Hello there. Come join us. Let's go there. Mabuhay. God bless you. Mabuhay. Ah, where are you from?
I'm from Yemen. You know Yemen?
Ah, yaman. Dito sa Pilipinas,
Yeah.
maraming mahirap, pero dyan sa inyo, maraming mayaman. Do you know how to speak Tagalog? Not so? I'll teach you how.
You know Yemen?
No, but I can search that. You know how to speak
Yemen.
Tagalog?
It's a nice country. It has inside a lot of مدري شو اسمهن history.
Yaman. Is it yamang lupa or yamang tubig? Ay, walis!
Engineer ka babuk.
What? What time is it there?
Say what times? It's 12 o'clock.
In the afternoon, correct?
مدري والله ماليش داري afternoon or noon.
Oh. Anyways, my question to you. What
Just
is...
say Yemen.
No,
Just
I
say
have a
Yemen.
question. Actually, I'm searching it right now. I have a question for you. Is that okay?
Okay. Question, no
The
problem.
question is, during the pandemic, okay, during the pandemic, what is the
What's the
most...
meaning?
Pandemic, tama? Pandemic?
Damun
You know,
وخرك. I'm Arabic. I'm Arabic language.
there's no COVID there? There's no COVID?
COVID.
Yes, COVIDity.
Oh, COVID هذا my brother.
Oh,
هو something.
your brother has a COVID, correct?
COVID كويس. Good, my
Yes.
friend.
Hindi, nagkakaintindihan ha.
Pwede ko
You know
lang
COVID.
virus corona.
You know COVID.
COVID, yes. This is virus corona.
Oh. Coronavirus. Correct. So, do you have pandemic there?
وإيش هذا؟
What?
No.
Oh,
No.
Taurus, Yemen ng pandemic, ha?
Yes.
How young are you?
No.
How young? How young are you?
Yes.
Hey, what's your age?
Are you doctor?
Age.
Yes.
Yes, what is your age? How old are you?
No.
Tawa yun.
I see. I'm 23. أنا أثرثر أبو جدك. I'm 23. What about you?
Oh, how do I say Borogodoy? Correct?
What? Correct.
Do you know our president?
Your president doesn't.
Our president is my father.
President your father?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Look at my room. It's the flag of the Philippines, red and blue. Because my father is the president.
Are you really?
No, it's a joke. Ulit.
You are look like حتى الخدامة. You know خدامة? You are look like it.
Oh, you look like let me see. You look like Bulbul. Your
Uh,
hair.
you 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 son president.
Yes.
Give me $1 million, please.
Oh, we don't have that because our president is not corrupt. You know,
You
corrupt?
you you son president. You have money. Give me money.
No, because the money that we have is from the Filipino. The Filipino worth dying for. You know what's that? Oy, naku, 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 ha?
يا أخي أنت ابن الرئيس. You president. Son,
Okay,
son. Give me
I'll
money.
give you money. Do you have GCash?
Yeah, give me. I have account in bank. Any bank you need, I will give you. Give me $1,000.
No. Yes, I will. I will give you. I will give you. Just give me your GCash.
What's the meaning? أنا أكشكش أبوك جدك.
I'm serious. You know, GCash. It's Ba't ito? Panginan nito eh. Basta, give me GCash. Give me the details of your GCash. Or Palawan.
You
Palawan.
know who I am. Who I am. You know I am who.
Yes,
I'm
I know you.
president.
Your
I'm
name is...
president Yemen. I'm
Oh,
Yemen president.
sorry. Buti ka mayaman. Kaya mahirap. Yeah,
You are liar. You didn't have any. You are poor. I didn't. I know that. I know that. Filipino, no money. No money. Why say that?
Kapoor naman to. I have a lot of money. I
You think
have.
I'm crazy?
No,
Oh,
no,
you
no,
you
no.
didn't have any reals.
I have something to tell you. I have something to tell you.
You
I'll
are
be
poor.
I'll whisper something.
ايش بيقول هذا الزنديق؟ ايش بيقول؟ Okay, repeat after me.
What? No. I'll tell you something. I'll whisper something. Huy. Oh. I'll give you money. Huy. I'll give you money.
You are poor. You didn't have any money in your pockets.
No, I have. Where's my money?
Show me. If you have, show me. Your phone what? Your phone what? What kind? Your phone?
My phone? iPhone.
Yes.
iPhone 13 Pro Max.
Show me.
I'm using it.
Show me.
I'm using it.
Okay, you have a mirror on your house. Show me.
Which what you I'll show you what?
Show me your house. Show me your phone.
I'm using my phone. I'm using my phone here. My God. Oh.
You have a mirror on your house. Show me. You have like this on your house. Show me.
You have like this.
No.
Oh. Once I press N number or N color, the Philippines will go brown out. No,
Show
no
me
energy.
your phone. Show me your phone. Show me your card. I want to see your card. Show me. Show me it.
Okay, wait. I'll show you my card. I'll show you my card. I'll just get the key. Would that be okay? Hey. Would that be okay?
Show me your key. Show me your key for card. Show me it.
I'm getting it. My God. Can you wait?
Key the card. Key the card. Why? Hurry up.
Can you wait? My God. I'm getting the card. Hey, you have a car?
Show me. Hurry up.
Do you have a car?
I can't change my color, my car. I can't change
This is my car.
color line.
It's my car.
Yeah, you are liar. Show me K. Show me the K. Show me the
Why should
K. I
I?
wanna see it. Show me the K like this. Like this. Show me.
What? Let me see.
Show me like this.
My girlfriend. My girlfriend. Oh, my girlfriend.
Show me your car. أنا أكركر. Show me your K.
This is the
Okay.
key. The key.
This is remote control for TV.
No. This is the key for Mercedes.
You are stupid. You know that?
No, I'm not. You are.
You are stupid and liar.
No. I'm not a stupid. You are stupid because you cannot understand my English.
Oh my God! I'm not English. I'm Arabic. You can speak Arabic?
English. You are human. You are not English. See? My God, comprehension.
You are a liar. You don't have any word to say. You are liar.
How come? How come, baby, come? How
Look
come?
how your sunglasses. Look أنا ألكلكك. Look.
You know what? I will pray for you. Okay? Guys, let's pray. Umayos
طلع
ka.
عنده فلوس كثير.
Umayos kang mukha kang bulbul.
What are you doing يا ابن الكلب? يا ابن الكلب! What are you doing?
Orasyon. What I'm doing right now is orasyon. Ignore ganti aligid. Orasyon.
No, يا كلب. No. You. Wait. I want to ask you one question.
What?
What is your name?
My name is Geri General.
TheGeri General.
Yes.
أنا أشنشرك.
What?
أنا أشنشرك.
Oh, is that is your name, right?
Yes, this is your name, goat, by Yemeni language.
You know what? For you to shut up, I'll show you something.
Okay, I want to ask you another question.
No. I'll show you my dick.
Are you married?
I'll show you my dick. Are you ready?
You will show me what? Dick.
Yes.
What's the meaning?
Dick. You don't have dick? I have dick.
I don't know.
I'll show you my dick. Are you ready?
Me. ايش بك يا الرجال? Show me, no problem. Show me.
Okay.
But not wrong.
I'll show you my dick. Are you ready?
لا
You
هذا
count
عورة
1 to
الرجال.
3. Count 1 to 3.
No. What you will show me?
Your dick. My dick.
No. Go. You. Yes.
That is my dick.
Who's this?
My dick. Who's my dick?
What's the meaning?
Dick. You don't have that?
This is you. I'm so happy to speak to you. You are a kind. You are a good man.
Gago ka kanina. Sabi mo sa akin, boring ako. Gago mga hayop ka. O ano yun?
Yeah, my friend, got me.
What? Uh,
You are
oh,
good. You are good man. Good man.
I know I'm good. Are you?
You know who is I am?
Yes.
I'm President Yemen. I'm
Oh,
Yemen President.
President Yaman, President Purita. Hey,
أشكال No,
you're
no, no wrong, my friend. No
no, my
wrong.
friend. No, my friend. You know what, my friend? You're my Yaman, me mahirap.
I don't know. I don't know what are you saying about it. I don't know. I'm so sorry.
No, you're from Yemen, right?
Yeah, I'm from Yemen.
Oh, I'm from mahirap,
أنت you say you are from إيش كل كلام. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippine good peoples.
Yes.
It's kind and the cute peoples. I like it. Filipino man and woman peoples
I'm from
كويس.
Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Isang dura, Baha Kagad, Philippines. Oh, may ganyan kayo?
اوكي معلوم اديك بيسحبك كيل. كوك 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 كوك.
Oh, we also have that. Koko. At this time, a lot of that is koko here. It's our alarm clock.
Okay, are you married? You have wife?
No, I don't have wife. I don't eat poison.
Why?
I don't eat poison.
You have you old man.
What?
Your egg 2770 all 6702 typical. You are old.
Oh, I'm 38. What about you? How old are
I'm 24.
you? You're 24. Oh, are you planning to
Yeah.
be 25?
What?
Are you planning to move to 25 or just 24?
I'm 24.
Yes. Are you planning to move on 25? No,
I don't know.
no more. No more? Just 24. Oh, condolence.
No idea. No idea. No idea.
No, you're 24 right now, right? You're 24.
Yes. Yes.
Are you planning to move to 25?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know. Okay.
I
From
do
now
not.
on,
I can't speak English. I can't speak
no, it's
English. I
okay.
can't
It's
speak English.
okay. It's okay. From now on, a moment of silence for the reposed soul of you. Of you.
Okay, okay. Nice to meet you.
Oh, bakit? Talo? Lot of friends.
Nice to meet you.
Later. Later.
I'm so happy to speak with you. You are
Oh,
good.
if you're gonna leave me, I'm gonna be sad. I'm gonna
You will give
cry.
me. You will give me money. You will give me money, present, please.
Yes, I will.
Please, my sir. Please, my sir, give
I
me
will give.
money.
I will give you money, but I
Okay.
need your GCash or Palawan details.
شو ما الكلمة ايش معنى تجي كاش؟
Details. Because for me to be able to give you money, I need information. Your phone number, your
Yes, I will give you. I will give you my
address, your
everything
name,
about me.
or because we have a lot of remittance here. You know remittance, OFW, they love that.
Okay,
Tambunting.
my friend, look at me. Look at me. I will give you. You can send the money by MoneyGram and give me serial حوالة.
No,
معلوم?
I have an idea. Do you have PayPal account?
You will give how much you will give me, President, my President?
Do you have PayPal account?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, like this. Sign up, download. What's your phone? iPhone?
No! Android
Oh,
Android
here.
مدري.
Giraffe yan
Yeah,
ah.
I'm
What,
cheap. I'm
what,
bored.
what,
I'm someone bored. I don't have any money.
what,
I don't have money.
what?
I'm crying. Look at me how I'm crying.
Nakarip ka tayo. Okay, like this.
I'm sad.
What is your Android phone? Cherry Mobile?
Andro it's old. My phone is old. Android.
Yes, what Android? Is it Samsung or Cherry Mobile?
China phones. I don't know
Kung
what.
Fu. Kung Fu.
Yes,
You,
China.
you're from you're
China
from
phone.
China. Yes, you're from China, right? Kung Fu. You know what's Kung Fu?
No, yes, cool. Ha!
No, Kung Fu. You're from China, you're Kung Fu. Kung Fu mulutan, grabe.
I don't know from China. My phone China. I'm Yemeni. You know, Yemeni.
Happy? You're shouting happy?
I'm not China.
Huwag gawing kanin ang aming pulutan.
You will give me money or not?
Ito ay hinuman, hindi ito handaan.
You will give me money.
Huwag gawing kanin
Hey, stupid.
ang
Listen.
aming pulutan. Ito ay hinuman, hindi ito binyagan. I will sing you a song. You want that?
You will give me money. I don't need some. I need money. Money.
Um, Pasko ay sumama.
Money. I'm not. أقول لك money. أنا
Another song. Dong, dong, pakitong, kitong.
Okay.
Bango sa dagat.
Your voice ugly. Give me.
Mahuli.
You make me nervous. Why?
Tong, kitong. Ay,
Okay. Listen me. I'm not letting listen me.
Kutos ka. Kutos.
Listen. Wait. 1 minute, please. Okay, mana money. I'm someone bored. My father,
Mm.
my grandfather day. I can't believe that.
Okay. I will pray for you. I will give you oración. We're gonna pray. Oración with Immaculada Concepcion. Okay?
I'm bored. My
No.
friend has
Oración
Mother Day.
with Immaculada Concepcion.
Can you search about Yemen? On Yemen, where a big where everyone call.
Okay, I will do that. Just say oración.
Search about
No.
Yemen. Search in Google.
No.
Search. Search. You will search right now. Search.
Bang.
Search, يلا.
Boom, 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 boom.
Search. You will search or not? You will search or not? Say. You will search or not? Hurry up. Listen. Answer. Okay.
What?
Bye.
Boom, boom. Tumawa. Ang tawa ka, friend.
Okay, okay, listen, listen to me. Listen to me.
Oh,
You
listen.
you you need money. I will give you money. I'm rich. I work engineer on petrol company.
Oh,
You know,
tapos. Oh, and then,
I'm engineer.
okay,
If you need anything, I will help you. I'm
okay,
just joking with you. I just make a happiness
oh,
day.
okay. It's like
Nice
this.
to meet you and good
Wait, wait.
night.
You know,